Morning everyone, Sean with CVF Racing. We're about ready to start day 3 of Sema. I'd like to go through and give you a rundown of our new hinge lineup that we have coming this year. One of the things that we've got that we're really excited about is the 81 to 87 Chevy C10 and GMC truck hinge. It bolts to all the factory locations, doesn't require any drilling or welding of any kind. It also holds the position of the hood in multiple locations. So you're able to set the hood halfway open if you'd like. It also comes in all 4 of our finishes: polished, clear, stealth black, and black diamond. The newest hinge that we currently have is for the Chevy OBS. It's from 88 to 98. This is also a direct bolt-in with no drilling required. And this one also will adjust your hood to any height from about 12 inches up. This one comes in 3 of the finishes. This one comes in stealth black, polished, and clear. So we also have our full lineup of hinges for the Camaro, the Chevelle, the Novas, Mustangs. We also have a hinge for the 62 Impala, the 55, 56 Chevy car. So we have our Ford truck and GM truck hinges, along with a full line of trunk hinges. They're all direct bolt in. They all come with our 4 finishes: polished, clear, black, and black diamond. All of our hinges are American made billet. They're all backed by our lifetime warranty. So if you're at SEMA, stop by our booth or visit us at cvfracing.com.